Everything is awesome. Everything is great when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome when you live alone. I don't know the rest of the song. Okay, so today's video, for those 1.5 people that do watch me, or enjoy me, or take comfort in my voice. It takes balls to neuter your pet. Spay and neuter. I like these guys. These whole Animal Foundation guys, they if you have a race team and you run the Baja, or if you ride a motorcycle and you do the Isle of Man, or something epically awesomely badass, you probably have a dog. He totally looked at me. Dog people are awesome, cause we do awesome things. So I've been riding a 250cc motorcycle for roughly almost 3 years actually. And I want to get a bigger bike. I want it so bad. Like I applied for financing on an FZ09 and everything. But I also want to build my Baja racer, and I want to become a race car driver, or at least a wannabe race car driver. You know, I'm gonna follow that dream. Maybe it'll pan out. It probably won't, to be honest. I'll probably always be that guy, you know, that just built a race truck and never did anything with it. But you know. So rather than spend any money, rather than spend any money on buying another motorcycle, I'm gonna focus on buying my Ford Ranger and building it up. I've already ordered the score rule book and everything. I'm gonna buy a Ford Ranger. I'm gonna build it to be a Class 7 race truck. I'm going to fulfill my dreams. And maybe I'll build like an e-bike or an e-dirt bike. Something I've always wanted to do too. Just go off-road, not hear anything. You know, have a silent dirt bike. Just how awesome would that be? Plus you can build those e-bikes to go like 30-50 miles an hour. So I'll stick with my beautiful little Honda CB250. Even though I want to upgrade, I shall invest money in my race truck. And when I do get the truck, I'm going to post the videos on how I built everything up. You know, like how I do the suspension work, how I do this, that. How to be compliant with score rules. Oh my god, the Street View car, there it is. Will I ever catch up to it though? That's the question. Maybe another day. I got to the classes today.